So they'll get the tractor bucket in the opening off the back. Officials will get to the four corners, and it is feature time, and we'll rely on you fans for one of the last times tonight. Not the last, but one of the last times of the night. Let's get as loud as you can when the officials are ready. Cross flags will indicate that, and 3, 2, 1. Sport Compact feature underway. Trevor Reed's. Trevor Reed, 68T. So the deciding factor. What move is going to make one of them win? You're right. That's a lot of smoke coming over the hood all night on that one. One on there. Trevor Reed now on right front tire, and I'll get that tire ready to come off the rim. Right front tire on Reed, 68. Oh, that car climbed up now. Railway sponsored by the Garage, and then Trevor Reed, Sky High Roofing, the two sponsors on those two cars will be. Just yeah, the fire come out.
Thank you, Bert.
So the tides can turn quickly. It looked like it was in Roy's favor in a big play. The engine maybe down on that Who had the last hit? Can Reed win the last hit? Frantically trying to get that I think 68 will get the victory on that one, as Roy's car did not move, so no. Roy, so it comes down to last hit. And even though the 618 was still running, did not hit. Wow. He is excited up on the roof. That was a great run. Boy, I'll tell you, those two riders, give them a hand, fans. How about to these two drivers, everyone? That is a great job out there. Catch that last game.